We're doing the Garacool bushwalk in the Central Coast. Can you see the lookout?
No.
Wow. So pretty, what happened? You hurt your knee? Should Mama kiss it better? Okay. Can you see? What can you see?
No.
No?
Can I run?
Can you run? Okay, go.
Okay.
We've been walking for 10 minutes. We can continue walking for 40 minutes left or picnic area right. Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Look how big he is. Hey, dude. Oh, that's awesome. Look at his tongue. Favorite, what is it? What is it? A brush turkey. Wow. Whoa. A jumping jack ant. Oh my gosh. Move, move. Getting out in nature grounds us all. Back to Mother Earth. Got baby in the carrier. Going up a hill. Workout for Mama.